Hi everybody, welcome to Polar Ice Creamery. It's that time of year again where all the festive stuff starts to happen. We're gonna do our part and make candy cane ice cream. So if you wanna see what's involved, stick around and Santa will show you. Candy cane ice cream, it's not really a flavour that we had back in the UK. It's a big flavour here in Canada and I think America at this time of year. What is candy cane ice cream? It's really simply a peppermint or mint ice cream with candy cane pieces and or powder through it, depending on which one you buy. So it's going to be a nice simple one to make. Let's get started by crushing our candy canes. Right. I don't know how long I'm going to keep this out on. It's warm. Anyway, let's open our candy canes. Canadian Tire, thank you very much. Let's get some of these out. How many are we going to need? I don't know. Let's keep some for the tree and do that many. Put those there. Right. Crush these up. Get that out. If you've got a pestle and mortar like me, great. Just get them in there and give it a good pounding. I don't want it all powdered, but let's just start breaking this up. Okay, we don't want it super fine. We want to keep some of those. Let me take a picture and show you. There we go. We want to keep some of those medium to small pieces there with our powder. And with that done, we're going to pop that in here. Oh, look. And put it in the freezer. I don't know why I said it like that. Anyway, onto the ice cream base. This is a nice, easy peppermint ice cream base. I used this one in the Minter Wonderland comparison video, I think, back in 2022. Anyway, what we've got here is we've got our milk and cream. The hob is on, and we're just going to slowly warm that up. And what we have in here is our sucrose, our dextrose, milk powder, and stabilizer. This is special ingredient stabilizer. If you don't know, I love this stuff. I love the company. They do some really, really nice, handy products for those that like to experiment with their food. Anyway, we're gonna get all of that in there. That will dissolve really, really quickly. No heat required actually to dissolve this, but what we do need heat for is that stabilizer. So before that gets up to temperature, we're going to take our 2 candy canes and get those in there as well. Break them up just so they're a little bit easier to dissolve. And stir. You're going to bring this up to somewhere between 75 and 80 degrees centigrade for this stabilizer. If you use a different stabilizer, then bring it up to the temperature needed for that one. And then I will come back when that's done. So we're up to temperature here, and I've actually just turned the heat off, and I'm going to leave it here just slowly ticking away for a few minutes. And we're going to get this in a container. There we go. And we've got our peppermint extract to put in, but we're going to put that in when the base is cold, okay? So put that aside right now. Let's just get this covered up and get this in the fridge. So the base has been in the fridge, completely chilled down. We're going to get it out, get it in the machine and churning and load it in the tub. One thing to note is I was going to put the peppermint extract in it, but actually there's enough flavor that's come out of these candy canes to flavor the whole base more than enough. So decide before you churn it. If you want to put extract in, put it in when it's cold, when your base is chilled down in the fridge. If you don't, then don't. And when your churn is about 2 or 3 minutes before you're going to take it out your machine, add in your frozen candy cane pieces and then load it all in a container and put it in the freezer. Candy cane ice cream. Where's my hat? There we go. Got my hat. Candy cane ice cream. Let's get some dished up. Candy cane ice cream. Not a flavour we had back in England, but here we go. Delicious. I'm a little bit surprised that just those 2 candy canes in there were able to give that base as much flavour as they did. I mean, if you want to go over the top, then, you know, add another couple, but you're going to start playing with the freezing point because they're pure sugar. So yeah, really nice, super smooth ice cream, no detectable ice, lovely candy cane flavour, little bits of candy cane scattered throughout, big pieces, small pieces. That is a Christmas ice cream perfection. Anyway, I hope my hat irritated you suitably. I hope you had a good year. And for those that do celebrate Christmas, happy Christmas. For those that don't celebrate Christmas, happy Christmas. And, you know, do whatever you want to do at this time of year. If you don't celebrate it, then just be happy doing whatever it is you want to do. Okay? So, from everyone at Polar Ice Cream Re, which is me, thank you for coming along in 2023. There's been a lot happening this year. There's going to be even more happening next year. It's a busy year for me next year. I'll explain more in the new year, but there's a couple more videos left for me in 2023 before I settle down to enjoy the festive season with my family. And yeah. You take care. I'll see you on the next one.